For the next posture, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and put your hands over your kidneys. So here, you're going to bend the knees and ankles and bring the pelvis forward. And as you do, breathe out, breathe in, and then out. So we're going to use an explosive breath from the abdomen. And then come up again. So the trick is to bend the pelvis forward and the back will follow. Michelle will now demonstrate the posture. So one moves from the feet up the back. So the feet must be soft and parallel, sink in the ground, bend the ankle and knee and hip, push the pelvis forward, breathe in, lean back, and then breathe out from the abdomen in an explosive breath. And then breathe in and come back up again. One more. So this movement comes up from the legs to the top of the body, not from the top down. One more. Breathe in, look at the ceiling, breathe out. Okay, good.